Hi friends, today we are going to see about the temple which is India famous, world famous temple, Lord Jagannath Puri temple located in Odhisa. So this temple history is vast and many people already would have known about this histories. It's a vast history, very famous history, and I will give this temple's history also in my descriptions. So if you want to know more, you can know in detail also, which I will give small descriptions. I will explain little words about what I know on this temple, which is this temple is constructed in 12th century, and from that it is Lord Jagannath Temple is worshipped, and this temple is for three gods, and main god is the here Lord Jagannath, and other two gods are his siblings. One is Lord Balrama, another is his sister Subhadra. So these three gods only we can see here. Here this another this Lord is special is god. It is made up of wood, not like metal like other gods in we praying. So this wood also, if you see these statues, it's not completed fully. It is off only the gods are and all made, not fully made. The legs and all not if you see the hands and all, it's not completed. That is because of one history we can say. So when making this god statue, by the Lord Vishnu itself came and doing that work. He told not to disturb for 3 weeks when I'm making this one, so nobody should see my sculptures when they're making. So he closed the door and he's doing his work. But after 2 weeks, there is no sound came, nothing came. So the king got doubt. He opened the door and seen how the work going. So by that the Lord got angry and he told, we cannot finish since you not followed my words. So God told, so that's why the statues and all, it's incomplete only we can see. It is made like that and it is we praying now. So this temple have many histories like this, very we saying that the flags in the temple are which is changed daily. That is very special, which is like a 45-story height we can see. So that is special things, and they putting another daily to all peoples, which is pot cooked daily for 45 items. So that also overcoming the giving here. So the other Yatra which is going annually. So that also lakhs of peoples participating in that one. If you see, it's a very famous chariot going on every year. This also completed previous week. So by God grace I visited previous week here, and I had the darshan of Lord Jagannath. So what I see in his temple is very old temple, and here we can see from the starting from the entrance 7 o'clock the open time it is done, and we gone to the main gates. Mobiles and all not allowed, that we should keep in your rooms if you have lockers like that. So go there. If you go inside, there many gods also is there, Lord Vinayaka, Hanuman, like there's many things is there. And then you can worship the three main gods. After coming out, they have prasad mat there. If you want to buy any, which is Lord Ganesha sweet, the Jagannath sweets, special sweets are there. They're selling inside the temple. If you want, you can buy there itself, and outside also prasad is there. See, like these shops is there, many things, and we have good sculptures if you can see inside the temple. So you all go with your families, get blessings of Lord Jagannath, which is very precious. Please subscribe my channel, support my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.